They say light travels at 186,000 miles per second. But how fast does darkness travel?
Starting today until January 31st, we at Yak Productions are doing our Happy New Year deal on photography and videography. Hold up. Just go to my link tree on my Instagram at yak.productions, tap the contact and booking tab, apply discount code in all caps, Happy New Year 25, and you'll get 25% off of your next photography or videography session. Yes, sir! Even if you want to book an event all the way in July of 2023, you will get 25% off of that booking if you book right now. Yes. All available dates and times are listed when booking your date.
I hate this. I ain't never gonna find nobody. I'm just gonna be by myself forever.
What the hell? Oh my God. Who are you?
Do not be afraid, woman. I will not harm you. I am here and you are here because you summoned me and manifested this reality with your own words. You casted a spell on your life by willfully speaking negative magic in your spell.
So you're saying I caused this?
Yes, we are in a reality that was formed by your dissolution, misery, and grief. You wield this reality because you truly believed there was no hope.
So I did cause this. What year is it?
It is now the year 2047 in this reality.
Oh my God. So wait, I stayed alone all these years?
Yes, that was your wish. You partnered with fear and depression instead, and you never tried again. May I?
Oh my God, I remember all of that.
Yes, I know. These were opportunities that you rejected because of your choice to be in a relationship with darkness and sadness instead.
But I was hurt. I didn't want to be hurt again.
I will do something for you that I rarely do for my spiritual customers. I will tell you which one of these potential matches yielded the best choice.
I do remember that day at Whole Foods. I remember thinking that guy was really nice, and I should have talked to him. I just hope there's hope for me.
Are you familiar with the story of Cinderella? Would you like to go to the reality that you just experienced?
I really would love to experience what I saw. I looked happier than any time in my life.
Come.
Oh, hey, babe, can you give me the mailbox key? I think I got a package.
Oh yeah, let me grab that for you really quick.
Happy anniversary, babe.
What? It's the 19th. I didn't know we had an anniversary today.
This is exactly 1 year ago today that we met at Whole Foods.
Really? You know what's crazy is I wasn't even gonna give you a chance that day, but I'm so glad I did.
Lucky me. Now go get dressed. We're gonna get some food.
Okay, let me grab stuff.
It is said that light travels at 186,000 miles per second. Darkness also travels.